Welcome students again into the 12th science chemistry class. We are learning from few lectures the defects found into the crystal lattice or ionic solids. Now there are the three main types of defects, that is the point defect, line defect and plane defect. In point defect there are again three main types of point defects: stoichiometric point defect, impurity point defect and non-stoichiometric point defect. In a stoichiometric point defect, the ratio of the positive and negative ions remains as that of the given by the chemical formula of that ionic compound. And in the stoichiometric point defect, there are again four types of defects we already learned. That are the Schottky defect, Frankel defect, self-interstitial defect and vacancy defect. Now let us learn the second main type of point defect, that is the impurity point defect. Now this is also the point defect, that means the regular arrangement of the ions in the ionic solid get disturbed. Now in the impurity defect, some of the impurity is added in that crystals so that the impurity ions takes the position of the host ions. That means the crystals which is made from the ions, that ions place get, or the ions of the host ions are displaced by the impurity ions. Now let us see here the impurity defect. Impurity point defect arises. Impurity point defect arises when foreign atoms. Foreign atom means atoms different from the host atoms. That are the foreign atoms which are, that is, different from the host atoms are present in the crystal lattice. So the impurity point defect arises when the foreign atom, that is the atoms of the another metal different from the host atoms, are present in the crystal lattice. There are two kinds of impurity defects. Again the impurity point defects are of two types. One is substitutional and another is the interstitial impurity defects. Now let us learn first the substitutional impurity defect. Now in the substitutional impurity defect, the foreign atoms are found at the lattice sites of the host atoms. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice sites by impurity atoms. The regular atoms, that is the regular host atoms, are displaced by the impurity atoms. Now see, this figure is there on the blackboard. Now this is the best example. This is the best example of the substitutional impurity defect. That is, here this is the brass metal, or this is the crystal lattice of brass metal. We know that the brass metal is the alloy, that is the solid solution of copper and zinc. Into that, copper is found in more proportion and zinc is found into the less proportion. Now here zinc acts as the impurity, zinc atom. So when in these substitutional impurity defects, the foreign atoms found at the lattice site of the host atoms and the regular atoms are displaced. The regular host atoms are displaced their lattice sites by impurity atoms. For example, solid solutions of metal, that is the alloy. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. In brass, host copper atoms are replaced by the impurity zinc atoms. Now see, these are the zinc atoms and these are the copper atoms. Some of the sides of the copper atoms are displaced by the zinc atom in the brass which is the alloy of the copper and zinc. And again the second possibility of this substitution Now the first is the solid solutions of metal, that is the alloy. This is the substitutional impurity defect, and the second substitutional impurity defect is the vacancy through oleovalent impurity atoms. Now this oleovalent impurity atom means the atoms of the another metal, that is the cations of the another metals, which oxidation state or whose oxidation state is somewhat higher than the oxidation state of the cations of the host metal. Now see here, in this vacancies are created by addition of impurity of the oleovalent ions. That is the ions with oxidation state different from that of the host ions to an in the ionic salt. Now see here, this is the sodium chloride crystal, and some impurity just like the strontium chloride is added into that sodium chloride metal crystal. It is the actually ionic solid, but in place of this sodium plus ion metal, there are the strontium metal ions having the oxidation state, that is the higher oxidation state 2 plus, because sodium have the oxidation state plus 1 and strontium have the oxidation state plus 2. Therefore here these strontium ion occupy the place of the sodium ion, but as strontium have the plus 2 oxidation state, so 2 of the sodium ions are displaced, because sodium ion have only plus 1 oxidation state. To balance the neutrality, the one strontium atom displaces 2 sodium, one strontium ion displaces 2 sodium ions, so that the electrical neutrality is maintained. And one side of the sodium ion is occupied by this strontium ion, but one sodium ion place remains vacant, that is the vacancy of the Na plus ion is remains as it is in this. In this way, the vacancy is developed through the oleovalent impurity ions, because one higher oxidation state ion always displaces the 2 lower oxidation state ions. Now this is there. Now let us learn again the second type of the impurity defect, that is, it is also called as the interstitial impurity defect. Now this is the example of the oleovalent ion into that. Suppose that a small amount of strontium chloride SrCl2 impurity is added into the NaCl during the crystallization. The added Sr2 plus ion occupy some of the regular sites of the Na plus host ions. In order to maintain the electrical neutrality, Sr2 plus ions remove 2 Na plus ion, one of the vacant lattice site created by removal of the 2 Na plus ion, because one is occupied by the Sr2 plus ion and the other side of the Na plus ion remains as vacant as shown in the figure. Now students, let us learn the second type of impurity defect, that is the interstitial impurity defect.